Alright guys, so today we're going to be making the 555 Timer Taser, and once again, I got all the parts here that I'm going to be using, but this time it's going to be a little bit different. I'm going to have a bit of a light bulb off screen, because you can't see it, but here. Yep, just to add a bit of lighting to the mood, because last time I always cast my shadow over everything and it just annoys me, and it might annoy you guys, so I smell a bit of burning. That's just from the light bulb, it's okay. So basically, we're just going to do a time lapse, but once we get done with the 555, I'm going to first test it before I actually put the rest of the components on, just to make sure everything's working. So yeah, apart from that, let's get going. have some difficulties right now where I think I've run out of wires to connect everything, so I don't know what I can do. This project kind of didn't go as expected at the moment. Not sure I'm gonna fix this issue. I still have the MOSFET and other stuff to attach, but I just ran out of wire. Just gonna attach the MOSFET real quick and then we'll see what we can do about this. I'm just gonna have to get some more wire, I guess. I can't really buy anything else, so I'm just gonna have to cut some up myself. Yeah, I know there's some losses that present themselves when I do this. And the adjustable frequency was somewhat... It didn't really work out as expected, but in the past I did the exact same thing with frequency, but it never adjusted it very much from a very good range, so I don't know what I can do about it. I'm probably just gonna remove this maybe, and maybe fix the frequency if I can. But I'm gonna have to figure out a way to connect everything, because this did not go as expected. One moment, please. Something ohms. Right, let's go for it. It works. Works. Oh shit. Oh my god, you're kidding me. Oh, the 555 timer broke again. Damn it. Well, all I know is this project works and I'm running low on 555 timers. Yeah, shit. It works, but I think inductive kickback got it. Yep, I think inductive kickback annihilated this 555, so I'm just gonna put the current circuit on screen. You bitch! Do you know what? 555 Timer Taser, you're actually shit. I'm gonna go with an alternative solution. And that comes in the form of good old relays. Yep, I'm gonna sacrifice a relay just for this. Let's just rebuild the ignition coil driver. This 555 Timer Taser is fucked already anyways. Actually, I don't think it was the 555 timer's fault. I think it actually killed the MOSFET instead. Like... Yeah, it actually killed the MOSFET instead. What the fuck? Boy, what the hell, man? Literally, I'm running out of IRFPs. I can only use so many. Honestly, bro, fuck this shit. I made a very simple, crappy ignition coil driver. This is basically a electro boom circuit, but except I made it even worse by floating soldering. Alright, we're just gonna go ahead and test it. If these things just weld themselves shut, I'm fucked, basically. Oh my god! Holy shit, it works. But this thing has not welded itself shut, which surprises me. That's very powerful. I gotta say that. Let's see how everything else is going here. The capacitor's okay. How about the relay? The relay's actually performing quite well. And this thing makes some decent arcs too. Like, I'm just gonna hold it like this because I'm very scared. Oh my god, I didn't have power on. Let's try that again. Whew. Like, oh wait, I'll just show you the arc from this angle here. I'm pretty sure this relay might get stuck eventually. Should expand the spark gap and see if we get somewhere. Oh shit. Holy shit, guys, look at that. That's some big ass sparks. Let's check on the relay one more time. Oh, it is starting to heat up quite a lot. But hey, I fixed the circuit? Question mark? Well, I realized this is my only thing left and I've just used it up. So yeah, I'm in a bit of struggle right now and I'm gonna have to figure out if I can just buy a few more relays or whatever, but for the time being, I'll call this project done and we'll move on. Wait, we don't have anything to move on to. Nah, I always have something to move on to. Just wait till next time. I have more coming up, but this is just the end of the main series and I'll be moving on to the other stuff. Anyways, I think I'll be going now because I've had enough of this project. Inductive kickback, you're actually a piece of shit.